What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some daily cleaning motivation that you can incorporate into your everyday life. Typically summers start to die down. We're not really doing too many after school activities. However, they have definitely picked up. My daughter just finished her first week of camp. It was a new camp. They definitely have a lot more things going on than the previous camp. So trying to get her adjusted and acclimated to that while also making sure that she has everything that she needs throughout the day, and then working and all of the things. I have had absolutely no time to get anything done, which I feel as if has been a little bit of a trend lately, but just trying to keep up with everything that's going on. So today's video is here to give you all of that speed cleaning motivation for those days when you just have absolutely no time to get anything done, but you also need to give your house a bit of a reset. So you guys are in for a treat. It's definitely quick, easy, so one that you guys will enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. So during these busy days or weeks, I really like to focus on the main living areas. These are the places that people are going to see. These are also going to be the places that we hang out more often. So typically they need to be picked up on a daily basis. So I'm starting off in the kitchen. I had some dishes that I needed to unload from the dishwasher so that I can reload them. Today we are not hand washing any dishes. We don't have the time. We are going to let the machines do all the work for us today. Heading on over to the living room, I decided to also put a show up so I can make this experience a little bit more pleasurable, I guess, if you want to call it. I'm just trying to get as much stuff done as possible. I definitely even see certain areas that I wish I would have picked up, but you know what? At the end of the day, you're kind of in that tunnel vision when you're cleaning and just focusing on whatever it is that you see. You're trying to tackle it and move on to the next thing. Also, typically, I would actually delete this footage, or I would try and add more cleaning or something else onto the video. But you know what? The reality is we don't always have all this extra time to get things done, and that's okay.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire.
Thankfully today I didn't have to worry about the dining area, so I didn't need to really clean up there, but my daughter's room was another story. So I'm starting off just by making her bed. She had a couple of friends over. They did tidy up for the most part, but again, a 7-year-old's cleaning is never going to be like mom's cleaning. So I'm just making her bed, and then I'm going to move on to the area where we keep and organize all of her toys. I'm still trying to keep up with all of the extra toys from her birthday, because of course they're newer things that she wants to play with, and she has been sharing with the neighborhood kids as well, which I think is so fun. But also just a lot more work to keep up with all of the new added toys, because typically we get new toys, I will then donate some, and I just haven't had the chance to even do any of that.
Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow.
This shelving unit would definitely be the kind of like catch-all area in her room. This is where she likes to put all of her crafts, and then she has her jewelry and all these little knickknacks. And I'm like, girl, where did all this stuff come from? Like, how are we able to keep up with all of this? And some of it is typically trash, but at the end of the day, you know how kids are, like they like to save every little thing. So we are going to just hold off, and I will at least throw out some of the things that I don't think that she is even really going to notice, and then I just tend to pick and choose my battles and leave some little knickknacks there.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear.
Finishing up on this last wall, putting a couple of things back, but that is it for today's video. I told you guys it's super quick and easy, less than 10 minutes, allows you to reset any space in your home to reduce the amount of clutter, and honestly a daily routine that's easy to keep up with regardless of how busy you are. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys right back here in my next video.
Into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.